In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a Nexo account. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, nexo.com, and you want to click on the sign up button top right over here. And then from the sign up button here, you'll be able to start either with a personal or a corporate account. So most of you likely are going to be doing the personal account. And then here you have a bunch of different options. You can start with your email, so by typing in email and pressing continue, or you can also start with Google or Apple. I'm going to click on continue with Google here because I want to create a account with Google. And there we go. You'll have to select your Google account, click on continue at the bottom, and then it's going to basically start loading in, and you have to basically accept these terms and conditions. So make sure you read these before actually accepting them, and then click on accept and log in. And then from here, as you can see, there we go. Basically, my account has been opened, but now it says finalize account setup. And then here, to be able to, of course, start using the account, you will have to verify your identity and then add the funds. So here, click on add the personal information. You'll have to basically put in your address, put in your basically your country, your first name, last name, street address, your city, your postal code, etc., and a bunch of different things like that. And after you verify your identity, you'll be able to then put on some funds and actually start using your account. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.